Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to use the @class method decorator in Python to solve the problem that we need to create an object from a dictionary using the class method. So what is the problem here? We need to create a class of book which with the attribute of title and author. We are going to use the class method named with the method from dictionary from dict that creates an object from a dictionary. Okay, like this kind of. So basically we are going to just create the class of book. Okay, and we are going to at last print out the title and author. First of all, let's just create out a constructor which will just take two to three parameters. One would be self, one would be title, and one would be author. We need to print out the title and author, right? So let's just try to get the title from title, right? And let's just try to get the self dot author with author. Now we are going to just create the class method, and we are going to create a function as per the task that dict, right, which is going to take CLS as a parameter and of course the data, right? So here we are going to just simply return our, by the help of CLS we are going to give the title and we are going to give the author, and simply we are going to create a dictionary which would be named as book info, which would be having the title and the key would be, let's say, Python. Another I can have the author as key, and it can have Kajal, just for sake of example. Okay, and simply I'm creating out the object here by class name, going to give the value, and we are going to just pass the dictionary. We are going to just print out simply title else we can just print out again b1 dot author. So let's just try to get the answer. This is the column. Let's just try to put it. We got Python and Kajal, right? What we did, we have created a book class instructor, constructor. We have created out by the help of constructor title and author. We are just going to pass out. We have used out the class method to create a method, okay, which will take the data input, which will return CLS, data by the help of CLS title and author, okay, and we've just given the dictionary. From dictionary that data would be extracted by the help of this dict function, which is CLS. By the help of CLS, data will take the title and data will take the author's name. So I hope you guys understood the concept how we can just use out the @class method to just get the title and author here in this problem statement. Thank you.